Up for sale today, I got a 1958 Willys Jeep Cj-5. It's a civilian Jeep, created to be a U.S. Army Jeep. Kind of a cool little restoration. It's got its 4-cylinder motor, 3-speed manual transmission, bucket seats with a ammo crate as a little console, so you can lock your goodies in there. I'll show you that. Really not too much to point out. Just walk around it a little kind of quickly. Show you the driving video. I love that. The maximum speed 45 miles an hour. Like I said, the bucket seats, the console. Keep your goodies in there while you're on the road. 4x4 wiper. This little mirror is cracked, unfortunately. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a like on the video if you think this is a cool little car. So much fun to drive. Take around. Cool thing about it, the wheels are actually painted the same color, so it kind of blends in a little bit. It's kind of a cool little thing that the previous owner did to it. Like I said, 1958 Willys Jeep Cj-5, 4-cylinder, 3-speed manual, civilian Jeep in the Army color. Kind of a cool little thing. 4x4. Not too much I can really go on and on about. So here you go. We'll fire it up. Take it around the block. Watch it. See it run. Maybe I'll hop in there. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you. Nice helmet.